Yeah.
Son of a bitch. God damn.
Y'all, so
we had music playing.
So the tire done popped, and we on the side of the road trying to change the tire. Spring break is just crazy.
It just started. It's the first day.
This is crazy. This is crazy.
I'll drive that. I think Melissa's just got both his tires, bro.
Yeah.
Son of a bitch. God damn. I don't know if I can do it. Son of a bitch. God damn.
Oh shit.
They put that bitch on there.
This y'all job, y'all.
I told her that was
Take the jack up a little higher.
No, you gotta break the lug. You gotta break the lug before you can do that.
I'm so sorry. Are you?
Yeah. I know it.
If the police come, I'll tell them I drove the car.
Yeah. They gonna wanna have all our IDs. And I'm going to prison.
Well, I'm gonna run straight to the wood. And we on this side of the road. I'm trying to tell people like, move over. Move over.
How can you go? This is the
Yeah, we need to get out the road.
Shine the light on.
Shine the light.
Shine the light.
Oh, I'm trying to tell folk to move out the way. Shine the light, tell folk to move out the way before we get hit. We gonna get hit. Listen, what are you doing with the light, man? We gonna get hit. Let me get out the road. I know how to make them, hand me that light. Melissa, hold his light for him. Hold his light for him.
No, it looks small.
Don't do that, man, guys.
Bro, turn that shit off.
Turn it off, man,
It's going to see a little cop light and then they're going to come over here.
You get here. I'll change. Give me the light.
Turn it off.
I'm finna turn it off. Well, we gonna get hit.
Then that's not the good light.
Man, almost done. I'm gonna make it.
Bro, we gonna get hit out here, man. Is it working?
You do it then.
Y'all finna get hit. Y'all come on this side of the car. So you get it off. We can just get the rest of it on. You want to dip out? What a crazy spring break already, and it just started. Melissa, y'all need to get out. This car's coming. That ain't gonna help.
Just lay back so he can. She's just missing the bump. They're looking for him.
I'm telling y'all to get out the way. Melissa, next time you pull up on that side of the road, Melissa. Next time you pull up on that side of the road.
I'm sorry, it just went out on me and I didn't realize
Y'all finna get hit.
don't know why that bitch won't come off.
Probably strip, ain't it? Do you need to call a tow truck?
You don't know which one it is.
That's why you're supposed to get your tire checked before you leave.
God damn it. Why the fuck won't it come off? Did it come off? Yes, it did.
I did, amen.
I broke it off.
Oh, God.
Sorry.
Melissa, you cannot drive fast on this now. That's what the fuck wrong with the tire. You don't see that warp in the tire?
This? Wait, what?
Shit, what the hell y'all hit? Y'all bent the damn rim. That can't go back on there. You don't need a whole new rim.
I nailed it that when she hit the fucking
When she hit what?
the bushes.
Remember when she hit the bush?
When the fuck she hit a bush?
That's her.
Bliss, y'all should enjoy your damn car.
She wanted to drive her car.
Did you not see my car? That's because I'm a fucking cat. I hit ground when it sent me off the road.
Yeah, we're gonna buy a new tire tomorrow. Cause this ain't this little thing.
Shit, I don't know. Y'all around with how many lug nuts?
Not enough.
Watch back, Austin. Watch back, Austin. Watch back. Shit, you was almost dead.
Yep. R.I.P. Justin. Gotta call my mom.
Really?
Yeah, y'all ain't going nowhere on that.
We're getting a tire tomorrow, Justin.
I'm saying one of the lug nuts is broke off.
It broke?
Yes, it wouldn't come off.
It wouldn't come off.
Guess we're gonna go to AutoZone tomorrow.
AutoZone not gonna be able to fix that.
Over here,
Yeah,
Austin.
but you look now.
You get over here.
I don't know why it keeps falling off. All right, here we go.
Oh, this is only 6.
Oh,
Oh shit.
All right, they're on there now. You didn't have the emergency brake on.
huh?
You waited until then to fall.
You said look like we ain't ride with them? I don't know. You want to?
Your spare is small.
That bitch is low too.
Yeah. Why you got a small spare?
That's just something.
Spare's low too, so you better go get some air.
Let go. Let go for the police come. Yep, let's go for the police come.
Are you gonna drive? Okay.
Here,
Oh yeah, go and throw that in there real quick. They gonna get up out of here.
here's your broke load.
It's like fucking come in this.
Push this shit back. Just push everything.
Hey, we got a fucking.
Hurry up, close the door. Close the door, y'all. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door.
No, it's fucking low. So what do we do, bro?
What he said?
He said.
He's.
I ain't got my phone. One of y'all got to go with me because I don't know how to get back.
Uh oh.